I've just cut up all the greens for the salad, and then now I'm going to add a lemon, a bush lemon, freshly picked this morning. I like putting honey in because some of the garden greens, they are bitter or sour, and often people don't like the sour and bitter stuff, so I add a bit of honey to make it a bit sweeter. Some pepper. Oh, yeah.
I'll do them.
Alright, and also some salt, Himalayan salt, not too much. We still want to taste the greens. I often like putting some tahini in. I'm going to put some of these beautiful flowers that I've picked earlier on top of them. I'll just, with the marigolds, I like to pull out the tops.
Does it need stir?
And spread those
I'll
a
just
bit
give
around.
it a quick stir.
And then
Just
the
don't level it.
snapdragons that I picked earlier. And the pineapple sage, they're very nice with a bit of sweetness into it. Nasturtiums that most people know, and some pigeon peas. And also some of the oxalis and the begonia flowers.
I think it's worth a round of applause. Much right to be here than me, and it is the reason why I'm here. I'm here because of plant food. Commelina bengalensis, there is obviously. There's a very close relative, Commelina cyanea, which is Captain Cook founded here. They call it scurvy weed. So cured the whole crew of the Endeavour, or whatever the stories, what we get told, of scurvy.
Not
and
now. No, would you like to
healthy,
cut some
super
of this?
tasty. We'll actually, I would say we make it a little bit separate, just that, in a pot, so that everyone can get comfortable with the flavour, and because it is such a common one around here.
This is just
When you realize how tasty actually it is, you might make friends with it as well, like me. So it's not a problem in the garden anymore. Now we harvested enough that many other plants also have space, so it's now collaboration because we have understood the language of the plant. When we connect with a plant, to approach the plant with respect, to feel it, to see how we can work together, not just what we can get out of it, what we can do for the plant as well, and why the plant's speaking to us, very, very important. And then tasting it as it is. Not to put salt and oil on it and cook the heck out of it and modify it so much that we don't even recognize what we just put into the system. We just filled our oil and salt craving, which pretty much everyone has. Sign of adrenal problems and whatever, but eating it straight, our flavor recognition, our taste buds become healthy again. And that's something I strongly promote. So that's why we try not to mix too many different flavors in the meals, and we got the arrowroot, yam and taro we cooked as well. We got it completely plain by itself. That way everyone can recognize what it is.
Can you put the water in?
Yep.
Once the water's in there, it can go on here. I think this is ready.
Okay, so this one is a new one, but it's small. Okay, so if we would have left this could have gotten bigger and then we could have eaten it, but it's just small. So you can plant this, and then next year it'll grow bigger and bigger and bigger. If you don't harvest them next year, then the year after they'll just grow more and more and more. And the good thing with arrowroot, you can harvest it all time of year. So we harvest it now. A couple of months ago we also harvested it, and you can harvest it any time of year. So so this is taro. It's got, this one has been cut off, but this will grow. Okay, these smaller ones. This you could eat this as well, but again it's small and you'd have to peel it a lot. But there's little nodes on here, and the bigger ones you can see bigger nodes. All this skin will grow. Okay, you could cut it here, eat this, and grow this. Also, like the arrowroot, it will grow more and more bits onto it, like more tubers, and get bigger and bigger and bigger. So I think like sometimes they get up to like this big. And it's really massive, and the stem can get like that fat. Actually, our friends have a stem this fat, And they love water. They can grow like in the swamps. This is the small bit that you could have planted last year, and these bits are the new bits that come off it. Okay. If anyone would like to grow some, we've got a couple of pieces to grow.
So what we've prepared earlier is from the garden here, we've got a Thai salad, papaya, green papaya salad.
This one's from the yam. Okay, so this part here it'll go a long vine down to the root. So this bit here is the old sprout. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's at least 4 sprouts that were growing on this one corn, this one crown. Okay, and then up there we'll have a lot of leaves like this. Okay, these leaves are very pretty, and sometimes they grow crazy like everywhere. But every winter they'll die off and look completely dead. And then in spring they'll shoot up again and grow again.
I forgot to mention papaya salad. So it's a green papaya salad. The papayas are from the garden, and we've added some ginger, turmeric, lime, pepper.
No, it's in 10 minutes. Goes to 1:30. This one's
10 to 1:30.
Anyone who wants to try, who hasn't tried, come on over. This is yam and taro.
If anyone wants another bowl, a strawberry bowl.
Thank you. That's all right.
It was really good. Really enjoyed it.
That's right. See ya. Bye.
Yes,
this
that's
is
the
Queensland
Queensland arrowroot.
Yep. Cool.
Do you have turmeric and ginger? Do you have turmeric? Have you eaten them before? Would you like to try some? There's some over there. Oh, okay. You could put one in your mouth to get the flavour.
Anyone some turmeric for the garden? Would you like for the garden?
Oh, the girls might.
Okay.
Yeah, the girls.
Here, I'll bring it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the girls might want to go. Turmeric.
Turmeric. Super good stuff. Just get a few pieces, back up plan. Yeah, of course. Put it in pots. It grows good in pots or garden, or if it.
Turmeric? It's fine.
You'll be fine. Or the tea towel.
Yes, Lena.
You're going to need to grow some turmeric, mate.
Me, grow turmeric?
Yeah.
Have you been to